Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting an oversized shirt that hangs comfortably. You want room without drowning your frame. Once chosen, layer a fitted top so volume reads intentional rather than sloppy. Make an immediate decision. Will you tuck, half tuck, or not? Tucking creates clean waist definition. A knot shortens length without tailoring. Make sure to test the shirt untucked briefly so you can compare silhouettes. These first moves set proportion and save time later. You now shape the shirt to balance volume with structure. Start by cinching with a belt or tying a soft knot. High placement lengthens legs, low placement looks relaxed. Once done, roll the sleeves 1 or 2 turns to expose wrists. This trims perceived bulk and draws attention upward. Pair the top with fitted bottoms so the outfit reads purposeful. Make sure to step back and adjust length, because small tweaks change balance more than drastic alterations. You finish by adding contrast and final proportion checks. Layer a pendant or wear a structured bag to counter softness. These elements anchor the look. If the hem interferes with movement, create a subtle blouson by tucking just the front or use a lightweight clip inside the hem. Make sure to test sitting and walking. If the shirt reads shapeless, troubleshoot with a belt, safety pin, or quick temporary hem to restore silhouette without permanent tailoring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.